up, y'all? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. I have done a crochet video before, so feel free to click the pop-up above me right now if you want to see that one. But this is just an updated one. It'll probably look better to you because I have a ring light now. I didn't have one for that first video, but it's the same exact thing, the same exact concept. I do have different color hair this time. I have some blue and some 1B hair. This is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the hair I always use. I always use free tress braiding hair every time I do my crochet. It's the only kind that I'm used to using, so I recommend it. It was $5.99 for each pack at my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure that price varies depending on where you're getting it from. It took me 5 packs of hair, not including the blue that I put in the front here. It took me 5 packs of this hair. I had bought 6, but I have one left over, as you can see. So I mean, that also depends on the shape of your head. You may need more or less hair. But I used 5 packs of 1B, and I used 1 full pack of the blue that I put in about this much hair in the middle. How long did it take me to do this hairstyle? I started at about 11 a.m. and I finished at like 3 o'clock, which is what I knew would happen. So that's 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. That was 4 hours, but I will say I could have gotten it done less than that. I will say that it takes you approximately 3 hours to do this hairstyle. But you know, when you're doing something like this, you're not just focused on doing this. I watch TV, I go eat, and make it a whole day project. But 3 to 4 hours is what it takes to get this hairstyle done. And yeah, I'm gonna let you see how I do this process. It's really easy, but I will show you in detail how you apply the crochet to your hair. So just stay tuned, enjoy this home, and let's get right into the video. I know that my main way of wearing my crochet braids will be a side part, and I know that I want it to be full this way, right? So right here at this part, I'm going to sew these 2 braids together right here. That way it'll be a legit part when my hair is down. If I don't do this, it's still fine, but basically the hair will have a part all the way down. You know that that's not a natural look. A natural look would be for your hair to be parted here, coming down, but then it'll just be hair, right? So us doing this, closing up this space right here, will help that happen better. So if you do have a needle and thread, that'll be a good option. So it'll look like this. Okay, as I get closer to, I look crazy. As I get closer to the top, from here forward, I'm not going to put any more full pieces. That's going to be when I start to break these apart into skinnier pieces, so we want to make it nice and full and not chunky like the rest. Okay, so you can see that I'm adding some color. I want to show you in detail and talk you through how I do the crochet. So I'm taking the whole strand. I have it even, but that's totally up to you. This is how I do it. I hold it like this. You want to have that opening available and ready for the crochet needle, because once you put the crochet needle while it's open underneath your cornrow, you want to be ready so that you can hook the hair, onto here. And once you hook the hair on, you're going to be closing the needle so that everything is smooth, and then pulling this through the cornrow. So I'm going to show you. This spot right here, this goes under my cornrow. I'm hooking it to the hook, closing it, pulling it through, pulling the braid through. Then take it out, and as you can see now, this hair is officially under the cornrow. So then you're going to do just like you would do a tie and put it through. I do this 3 to 4 times, so that was 2. Let's do 3. Pull it so that the knot is secure, and that's it. That's how you get the crochet. There's a way that people do an invisible part, so to speak, so that it's not really a knot showing, and I'll show you how to do that. Hair in, close it, pull it through. You have your hair under the braid. What you do is you leave one out, and you only gonna do your twist and knot with one strand. Now you're gonna see. But so now that it's tied, this part kind of covers the knot, and that's the point of it, to be an invisible part. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my hair back so I can see the front. Literally with one section of hair, I broke it up into about 10 to 12 pieces, this small, this skinny, and that's what I'm gonna use to fill in the front. So again, for a regular crochet, I'm going to show you an invisible part. Out. Do this 3 times, then gently pull everything together, and this part will gently cover it and be an invisible looking part. Like in the back, I use big chunky pieces, and they have big sections apart from each other. because nobody can see back there anyway. And what I do is I'll go back with the hair that I have left over to fill in any sections that I want to fill in. But you do want to make sure, excuse how dry my scalp is, I only did do the invisible kind where I know my hair is going to be parted a lot. So I do the invisible part here because I know I'm going to always do a part on that side. For everywhere else that's always going to be covered, it's not necessary. A little bit better, especially from far away, now that I have used really skinny pieces to fill in the blue part in the front. It's not so much looking like crochet, which is what it really is. So this is up close. Again, disregard my dry scalp, but this is how it looks, and I can still add a little bit more. But now I'm gonna move on to filling in the front with the dark hair. And again, I've broken it down into really skinny pieces. Guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel once again. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and I'll be back with another freaking video.